Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable airplane mode and how to disable it in a Realme 14 Pro phone. So, to enable or disable airplane mode we need to open our settings, and here at the top we have the airplane mode. By default it's turned off, of course, so we can turn it on by tapping it once and disable this mode by tapping it once again. Alternatively, on the main screen we can swipe top to bottom again, and here in the quick settings we also have the airplane mode shortcut. Airplane mode is on and now airplane mode is off. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.